Greetings and welcome to our today's journal. Today we are going to look at BDA April 2025, question number 23. We are going to look at BDA 2025 April, question number 23. Allow me to go through the question. Apollo Limited manufactures fresh shoes for both local and export markets. The company has provided the following data for year 2024. We have months, we have quantities, then we have production units. Required part of the question: generate descriptive statistics for quantities and production costs. Part B: generate the regression output and estimate the cost of producing 900 units. 12 marks. Then if the selling price is 250 per unit, determine the graphical method, the break-even point. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to make use of data analysis. So we need to find descriptive and also regression. So from your laptop, just confirm that you have data analysis. Just come here to data and confirm here if you have data analysis, and confirm here if you have data analysis. Some of you, maybe you are using old laptops, maybe you don't have this option. I want to show you in a simple step on how to activate this one on your laptop. Just come here, under file, then tap here, then under file, then come here under more, tap here, then tap options, then under option come here add-ins, under add-ins make sure it is written Excel add-ins here. It should be Excel add-ins, then go, and then make sure analysis toolbar is ticked, then click OK. Then if you check under data, then you will have data analysis will be activated. Allow me to repeat: under file, then under more, then options, then add-ins, then make sure this one is Excel add-ins, under manage, then go, then analysis toolbar, make sure this one is ticked, then OK. Then if you came under data, then you will find that you have data analysis. That's how you activate. Let's look at part A of the question, which was carrying 4 marks. Part A of the question was carrying 4 marks. It was carrying 4 marks. Generate descriptive statistics for quantities and production costs. So they want descriptive for this one and this one. So just come in the data analysis, then they want descriptive. So look where there is descriptive. It's here, then tap it and then click OK. Once you have clicked OK, then come here and input range, because they want quantities and production. You can just highlight all, but still you can also do different. You can do these quantities, then get the result, then come back into production. But since it's together, there is no need of doing separately. And make sure that this label in first row is ticked, because we have highlighted everything including this heading. Make sure you highlight everything including the heading. So that's why I also tick here. Then we don't want in a new sheet, we just need in the same sheet. Same sheet. We can just have our answer here, and then make sure that this summary statistics is ticked. We are not asked about confidence level. If we were asked about 95% confidence, we could have come and tick here. But because we haven't been asked, let's just leave the way it is. Then click here OK. Then you have your values here. That's how you are supposed to answer part of the question. Let's look at part B of the question. You are asked to generate the regression output and estimate the cost of producing 900,000 units. Cost of producing 900,000 units, but quantities produced, then production cost of producing 900 units. So this one we need to determine our y and our x. So we need to determine our y and our x. So y is dependent, then y is independent. Between this one and this one, it depends on another. Production cost needs to depend on quantities, so our quantities need to be x, production needs to be y, because quantities produced are independent. If you are not able to distinguish, in most cases quantities will be x, then in most cases y will be larger. Like in this one, most likely they forgot to add 3 zeros here, because we expect y to be larger. We can include the 3 zeros here so that we can get the more accurate one. But still the person who worked this way will still given the whole mark. And if you also came and discovered the error and corrected, because it was supposed to be 1000, you could still also score the whole mark. So let's do it in the correct way, because maybe next time you might be asked about. So you can just copy this one and then we can paste it here. Then I can also just copy this one, let me paste as values so that you don't have issues with formulas. You don't want to have issues with formulas. So once we are there, you just go to data, then still you can just use this one, quantities and production costs, but most likely there was an error of 1000, they forgot to add zeros, but still you can work with this one. But let's work with a more realistic one, this one, for the purpose of future exams. So just come enter data, then data analysis. Then now they want regression. Look where there is regression. And regression, we have regression here. Then you can click OK. Then you can click OK. Then you can click OK. Are we there? Are we there? So what is our y? Our y we have determined this one is the production cost. Then what is our x? Is the quantities produced. Highlight including the heading. Then here mark labels because we have highlighted including the headings. And then confidence level, we are asked to units and 95% confidence level. Make sure you tick this one. Then because we don't want in the new worksheet, we just need it in the same worksheet. We can have it here. You can decide to have it there. If you are asked about the residual or line, you can mark this one residual, but still you can also opt to leave it. No problem, it doesn't have an effect on our work. Then you click OK. Then you click OK. And then we shall have our results here. So we have summary output, we have multiple R, we have also the standard error, we have ANOVA, then we have coefficient, which should have 95% confidence level, lower, and then upper. So lower 95, then this one is the same thing, then upper, this one is the same thing. Okay, then we are done with the first part. Then you are to generate and estimate the cost of producing 900,000 units. We need to determine the cost of producing 900,000 units. So we usually have an equation where y is equivalent a plus px, whereby we have our a, then we also have our b. So our a is the x-intercept. Our a is the x-intercept. Then our b is the what do we call it? Our b is the variable. So our x-intercept, this one doesn't change, this one. So this one is our a. Then our variable, this one keeps changing. So this one is our b. So we can come and determine the y here. So we will need to determine under normal, because it's under three conditions. Normal, we have the lower 95%, then we need to determine also upper 95%. So under our normal circumstances, our x is this one plus what is our b? Our b is this one, so we need to open our bracket. So our b is this one, and then we multiply by x. Y is equivalent to a plus bx. Then our x is the units. This is the units. Units that we need to produce. So we need to multiply by this one. Then we need to. So this one. This is what we will need to have. This x, it will, let's say that a is our intercept to avoid confusion. This is our intercept, so that x can remain to be the units produced. So this one can be our x, units produced, to avoid confusion. So that's our under normal. Then our lower 95%, what will be our a? Our a will be under intercept. So it will be what? It will be this amount, that 6 something. Then we also do what? Then we add, open the bracket. What is our b? Our b is the quantities produced is 81, and then we need to multiply by the units produced, which is 900. Then you close the bracket. That's under our lower 95. What about our upper 95? So under our upper 95, it will be good. What is our a? Is this one, under upper 95. Then we add, then you open the bracket. What is our b? Our b is quantity produced is this one. Then we need to multiply by our units produced, which is 900. 900. Then you are done. Then you are done. So that's how you are supposed to solve this question. So our normal is 101, then lower is 76, then upper is 126. I think because of time, you can try to work on your own and try to solve parts of the question, which was 4 marks. Otherwise, we can stop there for today. We can stop there for today. Any question? Any question? Thank you for your time. You can consider subscribing and also like our channel. Thank you for your time.